Brushless fan controller, part number 69597, has some great, super easy use features. Let me show you how to use it. Turn the power on. It has two modes, temperature mode and fan percentage mode. Temperature mode is based on whatever temperature you want to set your engine to, and it'll maintain that temperature. Fan percent mode basically will run the fan at whatever percent you want. You can toggle between these two modes, and they are completely separate from one another. So let's just say for right now, we happen to be in temperature mode. You want to adjust the temperature. This is ambient. Right now, it's set, let's see, at long press, 82 degrees. Let's say we want to set that to something a little cooler. Get that fan going a little faster. You can hear it. Say we want 78, long press. Now you can see the fan is running at 77%. Because it's 84 and it's trying to cool it down. But of course, you can see there's no radiator. Alright, long press again. Let's get that fan back under control. Turn it down over here. Turn it up. And long press. Now everything's quite happy. Let's say the fans are ripping and you pull into McDonald's and you want to place an order. You want to just knock them down. How about long press on fan percent? Now we're just in total manual mode, so 50%. We can go faster. Long press locks it in. Fan will be running at 70%. Long press again, we can turn that down. Let's just go down to something manageable like 30%. Long press. And now it's just at a very nice, easy 37%. You want to switch back to temp mode, just long press on temp. Set that again. Long press to set it. There it is. And lastly, if you want to toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius, short press like that. Celsius, short press on temp. There you go. It's a great product, super easy, compatible with 1 or 2 fans, designed specifically for the Proform Brushless fans.